Hi guys, it's me, Nelly. So today we're gonna be organizing the fridge. We got all this stuff like over here. Sorry about like all of this, no reason. But we're gonna refrigerator. So this is like all done and organized. I just need to organize over here and up there. So I'm gonna be back. So we're gonna start organizing this. So, get off the table. You're knocking down your candles, too. He's doing too much. He's really about to jump. So we got the other yogurts. Do we have any more yogurts, Amber? No. We have no more yogurts. Get off the table. Sorry about that, y'all. So we're gonna start putting our Capri Suns in here. It's like they gotta hurry up because it's like in a rush because we're about to eat something and the video might stop. So you got this. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done putting it in the fridge. My way to the fridge. Can you hold this? We're gonna put it right here. It's all done. Now we gotta do the other ones because we have like a lot of preparations.
What are you doing? Hey, why didn't you just tell me?
Just now.
You should have just told me beforehand. There is no, because
No, you can fit them all in that one.
There's more.
All right, that's enough in that one then.
she will take from your hand. Gonna fuck it tomorrow. She like you just freeze.
All right, got it in there.
Put it in the fridge now. Please.
She put the
fit.
cream cheese in there. So it does.
Leave me alone. I'm trying to stay organized.
Oh, y'all are juice.